And the 4-ton is going to be based at 1600 CFM. So you're going to size your unit for 0.1 inches of water column, or 0.1 inches of friction loss, excuse me. And you're going to go down to you're going to turn it and line it up to 1600 CFM, which is right there. The size of the duct you're going to want at 1600 would be either a 12 by 20. It could probably be maybe an 18 by, what is that, 13. You could also do a 40 by 7. But if you wanted to match it up to a round, if you're using round duct, 17-inch round steel duct is equivalent, or can handle 1600 CFM. Okay.
Can you go over the windows real quick?
Sure. This is if you're having a whole lot of, you want to on your flex duct diameter for your compression. If you know that you're not going to have a whole lot of sag and bends and flex in your if it's going to be a pretty standard tight fit stretch of duct, you can go 4% compression. If you know that you're going to make maybe a 1 or 2 turns or bends, or it's going to have some moderate sag into your flex duct, you might want to use your window for a 15. But if you know that you're going to have an extremely amount of long run, it's going to drape over some straps, it's going to have to make several bend turns, typically you might want to go 30% compression ratio. And that's just taking into account for the loss of flow through the duct. The more turns you have, the less air, the less flow you'll have at the very end of it versus a straight run.
Okay.
And if you have a velocity meter and you want to know the CFM, if you can get velocity, you can calculate in that the CFM. If you know that if you're at, say, we know that we're at, say, 1600 CFM, and let's just say that we want to calculate how much velocity that 1600 is at 1 here. So we're going to go to find 1600 right here, and that's roughly about 11.